Hi friends, today we gonna identify animal sounds. Let's go to the video. Dog. That's the sound of dog. Cat. That's the sound of cat. Rooster. That's the sound of rooster. Cow. That's the sound of cow. Donkey. That's the sound of donkey. Goat. That's the sound of goat. Pig. That's the sound of pig. Tiger. That's the sound of tiger. Lion. That's the sound of lion. Panda. That's the sound of panda. Elephant. That's the sound of elephant. Rhino. That's the sound of rhino. Camel. That's the sound of camel. Dolphin. That's the sound of dolphin. Lizard. That's the sound of lizard. Bee. That's the sound of bee. Mosquito. That's the sound of mosquito. Please wait for the Animal Sounds Part 2 video. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching.